Subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get all the latest updates.
By now, we all know that farmers from across the country, but primarily from the northern states of Punjab and Haryana, have been protesting against the farm laws at Delhi's borders. As part of their ongoing agitation, they also announced a parallel parade on Republic Day, calling it their tractor rally. The Delhi police and the farmer unions pre-decided on an approved route that the tractor rally will go along on 26 January. It has now emerged that the government and the farmer unions actually had a difference of opinion on the pre-decided route as well. According to sources, there was also some disagreement among the farmer union themselves. However, on Republic Day, during the tractor rally, what transpired is something we're still trying to figure out. Overturned tractors, tear gas shells, broken barricades, injured policemen and injured farmers. This is what Delhi's roads looked like on 26 January during the tractor rally. Many roads in Delhi also saw farmers being showered with rose petals and offered langar during the tractor rally. Starting the day at Singhu border, the Mojo team also saw how peacefully the tractor rallies were being carried out right in the morning on Republic Day. While the protesting farmers agreed to the time window of 12 pm to 5 pm on Republic Day to carry out the tractor rally, the Mojo Story team reports the tractor rally actually started as early as 9 o'clock in the morning. However, in other parts of the city, we could see the farmers breaking barricades and deviating from their original route of the tractor rally. After 2 months of peaceful protests at Delhi borders and barring from the talks with the government, this was the first time the farmers actually entered Delhi. Protesting farmers reached Nangloi, where at first reports started surfacing that the farmers have decided to deviate from their original route to march alongside Outer Ring Road. A section of farmers did deviate from this route and eventually found themselves at ISBT and ITO, where they were met with resistance from the police. However, many police officers were also met with resistance by the farmers. In a matter of hours, thousands of farmers found themselves at the iconic national monument of the Red Fort. One of the more shocking visuals from yesterday at the Red Fort was the unfurling of the Nishan Sahib. Before we get into the details, let's get certain facts straight. The protesting farmers did not supplant the national flag to hoist the Nishan Sahib. While many condemned the incident, a lot of people believe that unfurling of a flag is not comparable to the indignities the farmers have been facing all this while. Regarding who led the people to do the same, there have been many accusations that have been floating around. Let's hear their arguments. Some farmer leaders claimed that the police didn't cooperate with the idea of the original route for the tractor rally, as they were seen barricaded and cordoned off.
इसमें पूर्ण रूप से प्रशासन ने भी रात के 12 बजे तक भी जो रूट उन्होंने हमको दिया, यहाँ से आनंद विहार, गाजीपुर और आनंद विहार, आप अभी भी देखोगे कि गाजीपुर पे जहाँ से वो निकलना था वो अभी भी बैरिकेडिंग वहाँ पर उन्होंने लगा रखी.
While some have unanimously condemned the idea of straying away from the pre-decided route for the tractor parade. According to reports, farmer union leader Joginder Singh Ugrahan has put the blame on actor Deep Sidhu for inciting the mob and unfurling the Nishan Sahib. The farmer unions had previously spoken about how they feel that the actors and musicians have been trying to appropriate and co-opt the Delhi Chalo movement. In his response, actor Deep Sidhu, who had previously campaigned for actor Sunny Deol for BJP, has denied all responsibility and said that an individual cannot be held responsible for an act that involved a lot of people.
इसमें किसी एक शख्सियत को अगर आप बोलें भी उसने भड़काहट की है, तो कभी भी संघर्ष, इतना बड़ा संघर्ष, वो किसी एक शख्सियत या एक व्यक्ति के ऊपर डिपेंड नहीं होता.
He also called the unfurling of the Nishan Sahib an act of unity in diversity.
जब रेड फोर्ट की तरफ गए तो एक सिंबॉलिकली अपना रोष, अपना प्रोटेस्ट, अपना विरोध दर्ज करवाने के लिए जो नए कृषि कानून बने हैं उसको दर्ज करवाने के लिए हमने वहाँ निशान साहब भी लगाया, हमने किसान झंडा भी हमारा लगाया.
Farmer leaders have condemned Deep Sidhu and his stance and have said that he actually misled a lot of farmers, which have caused harm to the ongoing Delhi Chalo movement. Police administration of Delhi, on the other hand, say that the streets of New Delhi were actually overrun by nearly 2 lakh farmers on Republic Day. The injured police officials have also said that protesting farmers actually entered the Red Fort complex.
तो काफ़ी सारे जो लोग थे वो रेड फोर्ट का दरवाज़ा खोल के अंदर घुस गए। हम लोग भी इनके साथ साथ अंदर गए। इसके बाद बहुत सारे लोग रैंपर्ट पे चले गए ऊपर। हम लोग भी इनके साथ रैंपर्ट पे गए, इनको रैंपर्ट से हटाने की कोशिश कर रहे थे। और जब हम इनको रैंपर्ट से हटाने की कोशिश कर रहे थे, ये थोड़े से एग्रेसिव हो गए वहाँ पे।
In this utterly chaotic situation on Republic Day, a farmer also lost his life in the ITO area. However, there is no consensus on how the farmer actually died. The Delhi police says that it's an accident. In this post-truth world, or a world which has many iterations of the truth, we'll have to wait and watch to see where the farmers' movement goes from here on.